Kitengela is one of the fastest growing towns in Kenya, and its growth has been hastened by the creation of Nairobi Expressway, which has improved the travel time from the CBD to Kitengela from approximately 1 hour to around 30-40 minutes. Kitengela has so many amenities. The distribution of hospitals, good international schools, and other luxury amenities has been done very well. Shida ya Kitengela ni moja: maandamano, vumbi na jua. Behind me, you have a gated estate of 30 units. Each unit has a plinth area of 165 square meters, and each unit has been done on a 40 by 80 lot of land. This gated estate is in the vicinity of Kitengela town, and it is exactly 300 meters from Namanga Road. Each unit in this estate is going for 8.5 million Kenya shillings, and if you want to do a mortgage or pay in installments, the developer can allow that. You just need to call us, come to the site, and we will discuss that with you. From there, you already see that each unit is coming with around 3 car parkings. You have some spaces there and here for your front yard, and on my far front you can see some cars. Those are some clients who are competing with you to buy these units. This is the entrance, and as you can see, the facade has been done very well. The units are very beautiful, and the flat roof that everyone is looking for right now, you can only get them here. Let's get in. Wow. This is very interesting. The developer told me that these units are like 90% complete. The final color or the final painting has not been done. When you choose a unit, you can choose the final paint that you want. Also, there are some touches and finishes in each section that will be improved as we are waiting for you to purchase these units. The living room has been done very well. It is big enough for a normal sized family or a normal nuclear family. I'm loving this separation that is separating the living room from the dining area, and because this is wood, it is actually improving the aesthetics of this space. I love how the gypsum ceilings have been done. They are not very busy, they are a bit subtle, and they are blending very well with the environment that has been created by the developer. I like it that you are getting 3 big windows for maximum natural light. You are also getting a semi-transparent dome for security purposes first, and also it is giving you a bit of light. On this side, you have the focal point or the prime focus. This is where you will do all your electronics, and I'm liking it that you are getting very high ceilings, especially for tall people. Let's see the dining area. This space is not the biggest, though I think it will be sufficient or big enough for your 6-seater all the way to an 8-seater dining set. I like it that you are getting a small vanity on this side or a wash basin where you can wash your hands as you are preparing to eat your meal. I like the small separation between the dining area and the kitchen, and if you like having a breakfast table or a bar area, this is where you can do it. The dining area is next to the kitchen, and that becomes very important, especially when you want to cook and serve your family on this other side. The dark granite countertops and the dark gray cabinetry are blending very well to make this kitchen look very inviting, and it is improving the mood that you'll be having when you are here preparing the food for the family. On this side, you have the sink area. It is a double sink with a tilting faucet, and this is very important, especially when you want the faucet to serve the 2 sinks. This kitchen comes with this space that has been reserved for your cooktop, and you have another space here that has been reserved for your heat extractor or your hood. This is where you'll do your refrigerator, and the pantry of this kitchen is here. It has not been partitioned. It will be partitioned according to your request. The door is taking you to the laundry area, which is here. On this other side, you have your clotheslines area, and under it, you have your septic tank. Each unit is enjoying a bit of privacy and a big space because, as I mentioned earlier, each unit has been done on a 40 by 80 lot. On this other side, each home is coming with an employee quarters, and the best thing about it is that each employee quarters is en suite. Right now, it is not very well finished. By the time you are coming, everything will be done perfectly. I'll take you back inside. This door or this opening is separating the social spaces from the bedroom spaces. If you would want to see the shorter version of this video, make sure you watch it in our TikTok or our Instagram, African Real Estate. And if you would want to see similar houses and more details about houses, make sure you go to our website, africanrealestate.com. At the center, you have the common washroom, and it is separating the children's bedroom areas and the primary bedroom where the parents will be sleeping. Let's see the primary bedroom first. At the entrance of the primary bedroom, you have the primary bathroom, done very well. I'm loving it. And you are getting a small vanity on this side. At the center, you have your WC, and behind me, you have a shower cubicle. The shower cubicle will be fully separated from the other part of the bathroom, and you will also get a rain shower and a handheld. This is the sleeping area of this bedroom. I like it that the developer was very considerate when he was doing the closets. The closets are big enough for 2 people, and you are getting a replica of this on this other side. From there, you can already see that you have some spaces for the hangable clothes, 2 drawers down there, and on this other side, you have spaces for the foldable clothes. Each primary bedroom in this gated estate is coming with a massive window just to make sure that you get maximum natural light in the bedrooms. From the primary bedroom, this is the common washroom. The common washroom has been done very well. I like the size of it, and as you can see, we are getting a vanity on this side, and at the center there, you have your WC. This is the first bedroom. The second bedroom is on the far end. Each bedroom in this gated estate has been done very well. What I don't like is the size of the window because it is not the biggest. Although it is giving you enough light, it is not big enough to give you the indoor-outdoor environment that most people want these days. The closet is here, adopting a similar concept to the one that we saw in the primary bedroom, and you have the bathroom to this bedroom on this side. You have the showering area on the far front. At the center, you have your water closet, and you have a small wash basin on this far end. Let's see the second and the final bedroom. This bedroom is slightly bigger in terms of the plinth area and also the bathroom size. The closet is here, still adopting the same concept. Let's see the bathroom. This bathroom, as I mentioned earlier, is slightly bigger. You are getting your showering area here. A shower curtain will be added, and at the center you have a WC as usual. A wash basin is here, and I like it that you are getting tiles to this level just to make sure that whatever vaporizes when you are showering does not affect the painting. We have come to the end of the video, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase any of these units, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. As usual, we have so many units in this locality, so if this one is not your cup of tea, make sure you scroll through the channel or go to our website, africanrealestate.com. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one.